Good morning, students. I hope you all are staying safe at home. Students, today we are going to discuss second chapter of Geography, Natural Resources. In this chapter, we will discuss about natural resources, their types, conservation, soil erosion, and land use pattern. So, first of all, I want to tell you what are natural resources. Natural resources are those resources which we obtain from nature. It is the free gift of nature. There are many types of natural resources. First, land. Land is the most important natural resources because human beings obtain all types of things from land. All the human activities we perform on land. It is a free gift of nature. But the main thing we have to remember, the stock of land is limited. That's why we have to use land in a proper manner. If we will use improper manner, improper use of land put harmful effect on the environment. So proper management of land is must. For the proper management of land, we have to make land use pattern. Land use means put land for different purposes such as cultivation of crops, grazing of animals, building houses, mining activities, etc. This is known as land use pattern. All the countries are having their different land use pattern. India is also having different land use pattern, and it's depend on the geographical condition of our country. There are many factors which influence the land use pattern of our country. The first important factor, physical factor. These include topography, soil, climate, availability of water, and mineral resources. The second factor is economic and human factor. It includes total population, industrialization, level of development. There are two types of countries, developed countries and developing countries. India also having different land use pattern. India land use pattern, 57% cropland is there, 4% pastures are there, 22% forest, and 17% land for other uses. Like this, all the countries of the world having their separate land use pattern according to the needs and geographical condition of the country. Now beta, next topic is soil resources. Soil is the second most important natural resource. As we know, the uppermost layer of the earth is known as the soil. Land is also important, but the soil is also important. Soil is the medium to grow crops. Without soil, we are not able to grow crops. The production also depend on the fertility of the soil. All the living creature on land directly or indirectly depends on soil for food crops. It took millions of years in the formation of soil, and many factors are there which play a vital role in the formation of soil. Yeah, we can say many factors are there which affect the formation of soil. The first one is parent material. Parent material means fragmentation of rocks. Fragmentation of rocks depend on different type of factors, climate, air, water. These all factors play a vital role to convert the rocks into fine soft material, and they help to provide the base for the soil formation. The second important factor which play a vital role in the formation of soil is the relief. Relief means slope of land, topography. Slope of land, steep slope. If slope is steep, then it will swift flow of water and have a thin soil layer. But if the gently slope, then it will have the deposition and have deep layer of soil. Third most important factor which influence the soil formation, that is climate, rainfall, temperature. These all factors are there which have influence in the formation of soil. The next factor is natural vegetation. Different type of vegetation is there. They play a vital role in the formation of soil. How? First, the decayed leaf. Decayed leaf means the leaf which fallen down on the earth, and when it adds in the soil, that is known as humus. Humus means the soil in which humus added, that is the most fertile soil. This is known as humus. And second benefit of vegetation, it will hold the soil. The roots provide the base to hold the soil, and it can help to prevent the soil erosion. Our next topic is soil erosion. The removal of soil, whether by wind or water, is known as the soil erosion. Many factors are there for soil erosion. Natural factor also there, and human factors are also there.